There, as I have shown you already, same all of you 4 5 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, right? It's also almost same, guys, with a small change. Almost same with a small change, all of you. Uh, so for this one, for the pattern 17, all of you observe. This is everything same, guys. Okay, all of you. Here, the number of I iterations, number of j iterations, everything same. Only the value displaying different. Okay, compared to this is the previous one, right? Value changing difference, guys. That we see now. That we see here. Data making the which one pattern 17th. Okay, all of you. Right. Same pattern, guys, same previous one only, same previous one. What is the change means here? While displaying so first five, then we want 4 5 like this, all of you. Otherwise we'll do one thing, guys. Instead of writing what we do now, first I want to display what here, 4 5, right? 4 5, guys. Okay, all of you display what 4 5. Second line 4 5 display. Second line 4 5 display. 4 5, right? 4 5. All of you, okay. So for the like this you imagine, guys. Okay, just to 4 5, right? 4 5. Next what required? Next what required? 3 4 5. That's all. Next 3 4 5, guys. The next pattern is what is just displaying 3 4 5 only. Just a 3 4 5 displaying. That's all. So 3 4 5. 3 4 5. Next one, tell me now. 2 3 4 5, right? Next one is what here? 2 3 4 5, guys. Okay. So I am like this overwriting means because here no changes in the case of iterations, guys. No changes in the iterations. Only changes where displaying part changes, guys. So no changes in iterations like I value, j values. Iterations wise no change, guys. Okay. That's all. So right. So all of you now observe all same I values, j values, but this is what I want to display, guys. This is what I want to display. Say when I value 1, j only one time repeating. When I value 2, j repeating 2 times, guys. All of you. See, don't compare here. 4 5 is there. You are taking the 1 2 sir. These are the iterations. These are the number of iterations. These are the output displaying. Okay, all of you. Right. So next when I value 3, 3 times j iterating. When I value 4, 4 times j iterating. When I value 5, 5 times j iterating. For this case, guys, for this case, almost same program with a small change. Same program with a small change here. Input of input of what here, enter n number of rows, then we take here eval, then n equal to like this. Then so for I in range of say 1 comma n plus 1, then for j in range of, right. Now so here also same guys, here also because I values j values both are same here also, right? Both are same here. Which one same? I take 1 comma n plus 1, and then when coming the printing guys, when you come to the printing, so let's observe here. When I value 1, then j, what is the j? All of you, sorry, here not n plus 1 now. Which one guys here? I plus 1, okay. When I value 1, so 1 plus 1 2, n value 2, 1 comma 2 means 1 will come, same guys, right? Next when I value 2, then what here now? So 2 plus 1 means 3, n value 3 means it takes up to 2, 1 comma 2 will come, so 1 comma 2 like this. When I value 3, same, it takes what? 1 2 3. When I value 4, it takes what here? 1 1 2 3 4. When I value 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, that's all of you, same, right? Same j values guys. But printing wise here, all of observe now. So I want printer first to common only, next 4 5 3 4 5, right? If I take the only n, always n will come guys, always n will come. Then I will take here n plus j. So n means what? N means what first time guys? Tell me now. 5 plus j means what now? J means 1. 5 plus 1, 6 will come, right? 6 will display, but I want 5 only now. Take the minus 1 now guys, take the minus 1. So n means what? 5 plus 1 or j value 1, right? 5 plus 1 6 minus 1 5. So first time 5 will display, so first time 5 will display. 5 displaying what required here? Space required. Once the iteration over, then take what here? New print. When new print, go for new line, so new line came. Next when I value 2, j what here? 1 2, right? 1 2 guys. But first time j value 1, second time j 2. J value first time what here? 1, okay. J value first time 1. So n plus 1, so means 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 4. Yes, 4 is coming guys. Next what j value? Next j value 2, right? Okay. Next j value 2. So 5 plus 2 6. 6 minus 1 5 now. 6 minus 1 5. That's all guys. Minus 1 5. All of you. Okay. Over. Now j 2 times iteration over. Then what is over now? The j loops over. I'll go for the new I value. What is new I value? 3. When I value 3, j, what is the range here? 1 2 3. Okay. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So first time now j value 1, second time j value 2, next time j value 3. So first time j value 1. So again n plus 1 how much here? 6. 6 minus 1 5. All of you. All of you guys. So this is what I'm taking now. All of you, is it coming for all? Not coming, right? Okay. If you take the 1, it may come for 1 value guys, but next one, suppose if you take the same guys, what I'm taking previous one j, right? N means what? N means 5. 5 plus 1, okay. 5 plus 1 what here? Right now I value 3, right? I value 3 guys. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 5 will come guys, right? But again starting 5 is coming. The previous also what starting guys? In the previous also, so previous means I value 2, right? Okay. So 1, so that also 5 will come, guys, right? No, the logic is not correct. All of you. Logic is not correct here because we are taking the n plus j minus 1 I am taking here, right? If you go for not I, it also should change, right? Let me take for example, uh, suppose minus I, guys, for example, minus I, this value is decreasing, right? That means n minus 1 minus I plus j minus I plus j. Let's see now. First time I value 1, then j range 1. So n means 5, 5 minus 1. So minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, guys. Okay. So first time coming, however, no problem. But when I value 2, when I value 2, j, okay, 1, 2 coming. And now n minus, I value what now? 2, right? I value 2. N minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, guys, 4. Because now 2 times iteration, right? So this is the 4 coming here, 4 coming here, 4 coming here. Then next one, n means what here? N means 3. So 5, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, how much here? 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, guys, here. Because the first time already 1 over with 1, 4 coming here. Now adding 2, what comes here now? 5 is coming, guys. I love you. So 5 minus 1, so minus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, how much here? 5. Next, when I value 3, j 3 times will come. J 3 times, first time j value what? First time j value 1. So n minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 will come. 3 will come. Next, n minus 3 means 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 2, all of you. This 2, right? 2 plus 2, how much here? 4. Next, 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 3, j value 3, right? J value 3, how much now? 2 plus 3, how much here? 5. Next, I value 5, okay? I value 5, guys. Now, let us see this one. All of you. So now 4 times, first time j value 1, 2, 3, 4. I take first time 1. So 5 minus 4, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. And so next, 5 minus 4, 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus what? 2, guys. How much here? 3. Then 4. Then 5. Next, so 5. I will what now? 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0. So plus 1 means 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 will come, guys. All of you. Okay. This is the correct one, guys. This is the correct one. Right? So, as I told you, we're not going directly the logic, guys. We are trying different ways by keeping different ways. We are trying, guys. Okay. Right. This is the result, right? This is the result. Now let me see the output. It comes not same as it is. I am giving the 5. Oh, sorry, I think the previous one executing, right? Stop the previous one. Right. Give the 5. Yes, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. All of you clear this one? Right. So like this, these are the sum of patterns, guys. Next we will see some more patterns.